Hi Steve, we've just broken ground for the new outpatient department here at West Cornwall Hospital. What does it mean for RCHT and also the community down here in Penzance?
It's a really significant milestone. So starting today, a £9 million programme of work to give us a fantastic new outpatient department for the people of West Cornwall, and of course for the Isles of Scilly as well, who use this hospital. So really significant.
Brilliant. Now, there's going to be some modern methods of construction used, and sort of technically, it's going to be digitally enhanced. Again, how is that going to improve services down here?
So two things stand out for me. One is the digital enabling of virtual outpatients. So the majority of our outpatient clinics will be delivered in person with consultants, with other health professionals delivering the services here, but we'll also have a great virtual outpatient facility. So for specialist clinics that traditionally people might have had to travel to Trelisk or to travel to Plymouth or further afield, some of those will be able to be delivered here virtually. So that makes a huge impact if you don't have that travel. So that was the first thing. And the second one is this will be the first hospital in Cornwall that will, as part of its design, have solar panels to support the sustainability agenda. So it's really exciting to see that as well.
That's brilliant. And in terms of timeline, what are we looking at?
So start today. We would expect to finish construction in March next year. First outpatients using the facility in April 2025.
Brilliant.
So we're here today at West Cornwall Hospital for the groundbreaking ceremony for the new outpatient build. It's been a long time in the making, 10 years now. Didn't think it could get off the ground, but finally it has. And it's been a hugely successful day. The rain stopped and everyone got out and enjoyed the whole process. It's going to make a huge amount of difference to the staff at West Cornwall. Given the old outpatient department is in the oldest part of the hospital, narrow corridors, it's cold, it's leaky, we've got buckets down there at the moment catching drips of water everywhere. We're going to end up with a state-of-the-art brand new build, all singing, all dancing, that's going to give us exactly what we need to take West Cornwall forward for the next 100 years. So I'm going to be approaching all of the care groups to talk about what additional services we can bring down here, and that will be a mix of face-to-face and virtual, because we're going to have all of the essentials to be able to run virtual clinics. So yeah, a fabulously exciting day for everybody.
As Paul mentioned, it's a really significant milestone, and as you can tell by the fact that we're in PPE, the works have started on site. They started last month on the 15th of January. The 4 cottages behind us are due to be demolished over the next 2 weeks, which again is a significant milestone. The project is due to complete in March next year, as Paul mentioned, with first patient date the following month. We've had really good engagement with the community and the members of the public because we are surrounded by residential homes, and likewise with our stakeholders and internal colleagues as well. So yeah, fingers crossed we have a really successful project, and yeah, hopefully we'll be back here next year to see how successful it's been.